Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is a very high paying customer service job. However, this one is in the technical field, but if you are a technical person, the company SAP is hiring a customer support specialist. Now, they are looking for someone to work the day shift. However, they're looking for someone to work Thursday through Monday. So you will have to work the weekends on this. It is a full-time remote job. They are specifically looking for someone to work Thursday through Monday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you're outside of the Eastern Time Zone, you'll have to convert that to your time zone to see if those hours will work for you. This is for the United States only, but SAP is running cloud-based products and solutions, and so you will be a customer service rep for those technical needs. You'll receive client inquiries through all kinds of different channels, including their web portal, chat, email, and of course phone regarding product functionality or problems. You'll research with the client and try to fully diagnose the issue and develop solutions for them. You'll communicate issues with internal groups so that they can be escalated and resolved. You'll effectively manage expectations that are set with the customers, and of course you'll logically diagnose and resolve basic to intermediate technical issues and determine resources required to resolve those issues. Now, they are looking for someone who is able to be on call during some holidays and some weekends for emergency issues. But because this is working in the technical field, which is probably why it pays so high, they are looking for someone who has a preferred bachelor degree in a technical field or equivalent experience. So you don't necessarily have to have the bachelor degree if you have enough experience, but they are putting those in the front of the line who do have a bachelor degree. They're looking for someone who's familiar with customer service for supporting software solutions, someone who has 1 or more years troubleshooting software or hardware issues, someone who has 1 or more years in a role interfacing with customers, and you must be able to obtain the customer's required public trust security clearance. So it looks like some kind of a background check will be done. Above that, they're looking for someone who can think logically, plan, prioritize, and be analytical. If you do have those technical skills, of course, pay is dependent on the experience you bring to the table and your location. Pay is anywhere from $43,000 a year all the way up to $96,000 a year. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I am always reading those and keeping that in mind. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.